At Shenzhen Idea Light Limited, we go beyond manufacturing. We help healthcare and wellness brands bring innovative light therapy solutions to market. As a manufacturer certified to ISO 13485 and audited under NDSAP. We specialize in developing and producing high-quality, medical-grade light therapy products trusted by global partners. With successful market access across the United States, Canada, and Australia, our products comply with major international regulatory requirements, including FDA, NDL, and TGA standards, helping brands accelerate market entry with confidence. Built to rigorous global standards, our products are tested and certified to internationally recognized requirements, including IEC 60601, CE, and FCC, UKCA, UO, ETO, and SAA, ensuring safety, quality, and performance at every level. From consumer wellness brands to professional clinics, medical aesthetics, and healthcare distributors, we support partners worldwide with OEM and ODM solutions designed for growth, compliance, and long-term success. Driven by innovation, powered by manufacturing excellence, Shenzhen Idea Light Limited is your trusted partner in the future of light therapy.